Okay, we're back here at the garage build, and I've lost track of what day this is of the vlog. I have no idea. But anyways, in today's list of things to do, I want to get all the soffit and fascia done, and hopefully get the garage wrapped, and we'll see if there's any time left after that. So we'll check it out at the end of the day and see where I got. Okay, so end of the day again, and it's pretty productive. Got all the soffit and fascia finished up. You can see that all on there. I think I mentioned before that this side couldn't be vented because of the proximity to the property line, so it had to be non-vented, which is not a huge deal. To compensate for that, you're not going to see it. Basically, we put vents down on the lower side. Actually, you can see them from in here. Be able to vent it down below for that side, which will vent the attic. There's the, can you see them? There's the upper ones. There's one of them. You can kind of see them all along there. So still same idea with your venting. You still need to split the amount of square inches of venting that you need between the eaves and the ridge area. So still use the same calculation to figure that all out. So anyways, a little sidetracked. So got the wrap of the soffit and fascia all done. Got the wrap all done. I guess the only thing I'm missing is on the back side. Those of you who commented on my house wrap video a few years ago, because I had the wrap upside down, they were disappointed in that. Well, just for you guys, I put it all the right direction. Not that it really makes a difference as far as how it functions, but I've just got to wrap this end, but I'm going to do that tomorrow and finish that up. So like I said, other than that, basically got all the sides wrapped. I still got to do a little trimming along the bottom. I put some of the siding blocks on for plug-ins and stuff, and put the window in as well. Okay, so it was a fairly busy day, and it's time to go home now. See what we get to tomorrow. Like I said, I want to wrap that back gable, and I think I'm going to put some more siding accessories on. And I'd like to get the door installed, the walk-in door over here. Probably get some siding started as well. So we'll take a look at that tomorrow.